To inspect the wheels and brake system and perform a tire rotation on your Ranger XD 1500, follow these steps. Ensure the vehicle is on a flat level surface and in park. Turn the key switch off and remove the key. Take a close look at each tire. Inspect for damage that may compromise the integrity of the tire. Verify there is sufficient tread depth. Tires should be replaced once they reach 1/8 inch or 3 millimeters of tread depth. Next, inspect the tire pressure and verify it is set to specification. Reference the owner's manual or tire pressure label on your vehicle for the correct specification. Lastly, take a look at how the tires are wearing. If there is irregular wear, it may be time for a rotation. Next, view the brake fluid level in the reservoir in the driver's side wheel well. The level should be between the upper, max, and lower, min, level lines. Ensure the level is between the min and max marks. If the fluid level is lower than the upper level line, access the brake fluid reservoir through the hood and add brake fluid as needed. Do not allow brake fluid to contact painted surfaces or paint damage may occur. Apply the brake forcefully for a few seconds and check for fluid leakage around the fittings. Next, remove the tires from the vehicle. Begin by loosening the lug nuts before the vehicle is off the ground, but do not remove at this time. Then safely elevate the vehicle. Reference your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Once safely elevated, remove the lug nuts and set aside. Then remove the wheels and set aside. Next, inspect the banjo bolts on the passenger side of the master cylinder for leaks. A mirror and flashlight can be used to help see the bolts. Then follow the lines all the way to the front calipers, looking for any leaks, kinks, or damage. Also ensure the brake line retainers are properly secured. Inspect the connections at the front brake calipers for leaks. Then follow the brake line to the rear brake calipers, looking for leaks, kinks, and damage. Also ensure the brake line retainers are properly secured. Inspect the rear brake caliper and connection for leaks. If inspection reveals any concerns, do not attempt to drive the vehicle. See your authorized Polaris service center. Next, take a look at the brake pads. Always allow the brake pads to cool completely before inspecting to prevent the risk of burns. Check the brake pad thickness using a suitable tool. Be sure to check the thickness on the inside pads as well. Replace any brake pads that are worn beyond their minimum thickness. Repeat on the other side. Once the brake system inspection has been completed, the tires can be rotated, if applicable, and reinstalled. Rotate the wheels as needed based on wheel configuration. Due to different configurations, some wheels may not be able to be rotated. Always pay attention to the markings and directional indicators on the tires. Begin by placing the wheel on the hub with the valve stem toward the outside and rotation arrows on the tire pointing toward forward rotation. Then attach the wheel nuts and tighten until snug. Then carefully lower the vehicle to the ground. Once lowered, torque the wheel nuts in a star pattern using a non-impact torque tool. Use the correct size wheel nut socket and do not exceed the wheel nut recommended torque value. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.